Are you trying to know about if a robot vacuum's worth it? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a robot vacuum's buying link. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Question number 1. Are robot vacuums worth it? One of the tasks that is simple to forget is vacuuming. Leaving it for a day, 2, or even a week won't do any harm, right? The issue is that the more you wait, the more evident it is. Up until the day you suddenly realize you have to welcome guests, and there are crumbs and fluff everywhere. Unfortunately, can an upright vacuum be replaced by your robot one? Not quite. A robot vacuum can remove common dust and dirt, but it is not as powerful as their upright counterparts. This makes it ideal for enhancing your vacuum cleaner. It does, however, have advantages. A robot vacuum cleaner can be programmed to clean autonomously on a defined schedule. The charging base even allows some people to empty themselves. Still unsure about whether a robot vacuum might be a good fit for you? Consider the following when deciding whether an automated vacuum is worthwhile. Question number 2. What is on your floor? Consider what you're trying to clean before purchasing any form of vacuum, mop, or even a Swiffer. Have all the flooring in your house been covered in carpet? Is a large shag rug the focal point of the living room? Has your kitchen threshold become particularly large due to years of linoleum? Modern robot vacuums work well on a variety of surfaces and rarely require a completely illuminated space to complete their tasks. Even models like the iRobot Roomba 694 and the Roborock S4 Max are capable of intelligently detecting carpet and increasing suction as necessary. Since many vacuums work better on one surface than the other, we test the effectiveness of robot vacuums in our lab on both hardwood and low-pile carpet. The majority of robot vacuums can ascend medium-height thresholds, but you should measure your threshold and review the robot's specifications. Shag rugs are still strictly prohibited, though. The robot's roller brushes could harm the carpeting, and its wheels don't have enough room to easily move over it. The shag blocks the robot's sensors, increasing the likelihood that it may become stuck. Question number 3. How much time do you want to spend cleaning? Robotic vacuums have one key distinction from conventional vacuums. Since they are unmanned machines, they will attempt to pick up anything in their path. This implies that before setting the bot wild, the kids, or more likely you, will need to clean their rooms. If your kids leave Legos and other toys lying around, make sure to move them before letting the cleaning monster go. Any vacuuming activity, whether manual or automated, needs some preliminary cleaning. It is advisable to pick up and move things like shoes, dog toys, and children's and infant toys off the ground. The house still needs to be vacuumed, though. You will need to do all pre-cleaning prior to the robot vacuum running. You'll wind up on your own pre-cleaning schedule if it's on a timetable. The good news is that your work will then be finished. Additionally, you can throw the items in a corner and deal with them later if the robot vacuum offers no-go zones or room-specific cleaning. Question number 4. What is a robotic vacuum? A robotic vacuum is a self-propelled floor cleaner that collects dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors using brushes, a spinning brush, or an air-driven turbine. Without any assistance from humans, they operate independently. Robotic vacuums include sensors that allow them to maneuver around objects in their path, such as furniture, doorways, and stairs. They are made for people who wish to perform less cleaning while still keeping their houses clean. Robotic vacuums can be corded or cordless, feature a variety of brushes for various surfaces, and can be powered by electricity or rechargeable batteries. Question number 5. How does a robotic vacuum work? Robotic vacuums clean your floors and carpet by brushing and sucking up debris in the same manner as conventional vacuums. However, with the use of sensors, RoboVacs can accomplish this without any assistance from humans. While less expensive models map the floor using physical boundary stripes, more expensive robotic vacuums employ infrared lasers to explore places. Robotic vacuums may identify new areas to clean, estimate the distance they have walked, and detect threats using either sensor. The maker and type of the robotic vacuum determine the sensors it utilizes and how it operates. However, using sensors to explore places is a widespread practice. Robotic vacuums are a must for everyone who finds it difficult to use a regular vacuum or wants to clean their houses faster. Question number 6. Should you buy a robot vacuum? The last few years have seen a rapid advancement in robot vacuum technology. Older machines would repeatedly clean the same region while completely omitting another. Additionally, the trade-off between suction power and battery life has been enhanced, and many models now have mid-cleaning recharging, which means the robot will return to its dock, charge, and then pick up where it left off with the cleaning task. Many robot vacuums can map your entire home and let you choose which rooms to clean and how frequently, but the cost of all that technology is high. The best vacuums, on the other hand, typically cost less yet offer more suction while requiring more physical labor. They are all manual labor in actuality. There is currently no automated way to notify your meal complete C3 Calima canister vacuum to clean your living room, much less set up a weekly cleaning routine for it. We believe robot vacuums are worthwhile for routine vacuuming in between sporadic deep cleaning periods since they eliminate the trouble of pulling a vacuum out of a hall closet and doing it yourself. However, they do not completely replace the deep cleaning capacity of a traditional vacuum. Due to how readily fur and dander can build in families with dogs, they are particularly useful. Additionally, you can purchase a robot vacuum to clean the house before unexpected guests arrive.
I have nothing further to add. I make useful videos every day, so kindly become a channel subscriber. Because of this, I would appreciate it if you did. Read my description if you want to get additional information about the item's price. Please leave a comment if you encounter any difficulties. Keep up with our cutting-edge videos because it will simplify your life considerably.